50,000 Made in India ventilators were promised under PM CARES Fund. Rupees 2,000 crore was also allocated, but hardly anything has been delivered. According to the Quint, out of the 50,000 ventilators, the delivery of almost 9,000 low-flow oxygen ventilators has been held up due to non-payment of dues to a Chennai-based company called Trivitron Healthcare. Tragically, this has happened even as the PM CARE Fund received more than Rs 10,000 crore in donations. Today, active COVID deaths are soaring to almost 4,000 a day, severely testing India's health infrastructure. So where are the ventilators? The Ministry of Home Affairs in 2020 engaged HLL Lifecare Limited to procure ventilators. HLL further gave the contract to AMTZ, who in April 2020 gave an order worth Rs 104 crore to Trivitron Healthcare to supply 7,000 low-flow oxygen ventilators, of which it has supplied only 650 to the government hospitals through AMTZ till date. It is even more painful to know that it took the government 8 months to approve the ventilator, whereas clinical evaluation of such medical equipment takes just 1 month. Remember, the government also took 8 months to invite bids for oxygen plants, and today lakhs of people are dying due to scarcity of oxygen, ventilators, beds and even medicines. According to Trivitron, they have so far managed to supply only 400 out of 2,000 units from the first order they received. 1,600 units are ready but have not been delivered because the company is yet to receive dispatch instructions from the relevant authorities. But most crucially, Trivitron still hasn't received the advance payment for the second order of 5,000 ventilators. This means the company cannot start the production of those ventilators, let alone supply them. The shortage of oxygen, beds and ventilators has already crippled hospitals in India as they fight to save patients. The greatest tragedy is that all of this could have been avoided if only PM Modi had used the funds he took from taxpayers in the name of fighting COVID. The secrecy of the PM CARE Fund alludes to the apathy and lack of political will in fighting this deadly pandemic.